Hey guys, my name is Matt Bogosian, and in today's video, I am really excited to take you guys for a tour through a new construction home in Franklin, Tennessee. This particular home is located in the Starnes Creek neighborhood, and the exact address is 7043 Starnes Creek Boulevard. It was built by Drees Homes, and it's their Willshire floor plan. And this is actually my first time taking a tour through a Willshire, so I'm pretty excited to do it with you guys. Here we are, we're just walking up to the front patio here. This is pretty common on most Drees homes. It's got the double wood doors, just a little patio right there to hang out. There's me trying to use my other hand to open it. There we go. All right, so you step into this foyer right here, and the first thing I notice is up above. Check that out. Super tall ceilings. I absolutely love that. I think all the woodwork is beautiful. To the left right here, you've got an office. I think Drees floor plans just make so much sense. This is where you put the office. The office belongs in the front of the house like this. It's nice to be sitting there and have the windows like that and see people walking by. It's just a good spot. So then you've got this like little landing. You go up a couple steps and it would take you upstairs. We're going to go up there later. But at first, we're going to head over here to the right, and there's a guest room right here, which also makes total sense. This is where I believe guest rooms should be, away from everything else. They've got their own full bathroom in here, frameless shower door, tiled shower. That's beautiful. So let's make our way over into the living room area. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I love that stone fireplace, the sliding patio doors. You can see that staircase over there in the railing too, to your right. It looks so beautiful. Yeah, they just do such a good job. And check out the ceilings and the light. I mean, isn't that awesome? I love that ceiling and that light. This feels so open, guys, obviously, because the ceilings are just so tall. But so far, this floor plan's amazing to me. So you turn around and off the kitchen, you've got this little dining area right here. Once again, they've done a little something with the ceiling, make it look a little bit more upgraded. You've got those windows with all that natural light coming in. Now you could put a big formal dining room table there, but they just have that small table. Check out this kitchen. Double stack cabinets, looks great. Huge island. Little blue tape on that oven hood, but that's not a big deal. They're still trying to work out some things. But you see how this floor plan just flows so nicely? They've got that double oven, microwave. I mean, of course, they always have all the stuff in their homes. I really like that. Yeah, that looks great. KitchenAid appliances, nice tile backsplash, gas, KitchenAid stove. And that the tile goes all the way up to the ceiling too. Nice double stack cabinets. I mean, the cabinet spaces in these houses is just insane. But yeah, look at it's perfect. That is the perfect setup right there for just having friends over, hanging out with the family. Like, what a cool spot to just hang out in the mornings. Yeah, beautiful island. I love that wood finish of that island. You walk in this way, there's like a little bit of a butler's pantry, so you got some more cabinets right there. To the left, you've got a walk-in pantry, really nice size. And then over this way, it takes you to the little drop zone coming off of the garage. And now we head into the family ready room. If you're not familiar with Drees homes, most of their homes have what's called a family ready room. It's a laundry room, but it's basically on steroids. I mean, look at this. There's space for a refrigerator. You've got your washer and dryer on the left. There's tons of cabinets. This is probably the best family ready room that I've ever seen. I mean, that is phenomenal. Another sliding door on the right going out to the patio. We'll check that out after. There is two staircases in this home. So this is right behind the kitchen. We'll go upstairs later. Little half bathroom right there. And then you got the master bedroom right here. Just plenty of space in here. They've got all sorts of furniture, king size bed, nightstands. Really nice lighting in there. Looks like I'm holding the camera a little crooked, but that's okay. That happens. Try to get another angle for y'all. I love that they have the 2 staircases, by the way. That is so cool, because if you need to go upstairs, you can slip right out of your room right here and run up. This is another feature that's pretty common on a lot of Drees houses. They've got this little extra cabinet area between the bathrooms. Check out this bathroom. I mean, guys, this floor plan is freaking awesome to me. I've never been in a Willshire. This was my first time, and I was walking through and I was just blown away. I haven't seen anything wrong with it yet. I mean, huge walk-in shower. They still have got the standalone tub. The shower's beautiful. I think I go into it. Yeah, I do. There's a bench right there on the right. I love the variation of the different tiles right there. They do a wonderful job picking out all that stuff. Their designer, I mean, it looks beautiful. Turn around, give you another view. Tons of vanity space. This is one of the walk-in closets, which is giant. I mean, look at that space. And I'm not really capturing it all because my camera's not wide enough. But then as you walk towards the family ready room, you've got this other closet space right here. So, and then into the family ready room. How cool is that? So if you're working on laundry or doing something in there, it's really easy to move about the house and not feel like wherever you are, it's easy to get to another part of the house quickly. Walking back through the butler pantry, into the kitchen, living room. I believe I'm going to head upstairs. Yes. Okay, so up this little landing. I'm such a huge fan of these stairs right here. I think this is such a beautiful little spot right here, isn't it? Look at that. I love that view. And then you come up. I guess you call this a loft. And so I guess to some people, this might be a drawback because, you know, it's open to the downstairs. Look at that. Looks great. Oh, man. What a good job. And this house is ready now. It's ready to move in now. So what I was saying about the loft, I guess if it's loud up here, that noise would transfer downstairs. But I think it just depends what you put here. I think if you were to put like um, maybe a table and chairs and some like board games or like a card table or something, if you set it up so it wouldn't um, be an area that can be loud and that makes the kids want to be crazy right there. Because they could have this room right here. This is like a little bonus theater room off of that room, and it's got the barn doors that can shut. So you could put the kids in there to keep things quiet. This is a walk-in attic space. I love that they still managed to squeeze this in there. I just show this really quick. They still kind of got some of the construction material in there. Also has a wet bar. So this area could be something really cool, but it just depends what you do with it. I like it. I think it's so cool being able to see down into the living room like that. So now we've got 3 bedrooms. I just run through these really quick. There's not like a ton to see. I will say they're good sized bedrooms, and there are bathrooms up here as well. There's one full bathroom. One of these bedrooms, or 2 of these, have their own bathroom, and then one of them has this bathroom that's out in the hallway. So there are 3 bathrooms up here, which that's kind of nice because at least you have a bathroom that guests can use if you're upstairs in that loft area. And the bathrooms, I mean, typical upstairs bathrooms, they're done well, nothing special. I'm kind of in this hallway now. Back. Okay, so look, coming back down this back staircase here, I believe we're going to head outside to check out the patio in the backyard. I love this little staircase. Just cool. Like, I think that'd be fun as a kid. It drops you off into that dining area. Let's head out to the back patio. Open the door here. So, you've got a gas fireplace here, covered patio. There's a beautiful ceiling fan. There's 2 sets of patio doors, so you can come in through the dining area or through the living room area. I didn't check the brand on them, but they felt really like heavy duty and nice. So here's the backyard. This lot is 0.36 acres. I didn't even, guys, the house, it's a 5-bedroom. It's 5.5 bathrooms and 4,646 square feet. It's listed for $1,499,900, just to kind of give you an idea on the price. I think the floor plan is just like spot on. I don't think you can beat this floor plan. And it's also zoned for the Arrington Elementary, Fred Page Middle, and Fred Page High School. So really cool house. So right now, Drees is offering a $75,000 incentive on this house right here, which is like mind-blowing. They're trying to get it closed before the end of the year, apparently. I mean, I don't know that for a fact. And they want to get it sold. $75,000, you could use that for a buy down and for closing costs. That could probably cover most of, if not all of both of those things. So you could get in there with probably something like a 4.99 or whatever. I don't know what rate they have, but you could probably buy the rate down pretty significantly and lower your monthly payment, get your closing costs covered so you don't have as much cash out of pocket. You can use that for furniture or for the moving expense here, and then you're covered. So guys, if you're looking at moving to Franklin, Tennessee, and you want to move into a beautiful new construction home just like this one, I urge you to click the link that will send you to my calendar down in the description below. From there, you can book a call with me. We can talk about this home in particular, or we can talk about different options that you're looking at or interested in, and just find you the very best place for you to live here in Middle Tennessee. I appreciate you guys watching so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.